Hello friends. In this video, I want to show you how to use the puller and how to use it to remove any parts from the shafts. I have this puller with 3 claws. As an example, there will be a rotor from which I need to remove this heel. So now, with this example, I will show you how to use the puller. So, before you start installing the puller, you need to inspect the shaft from which you will remove the part. First, you need to make sure that the edge is not flattened. Otherwise, even with a puller, you cannot remove the part. It can rest and jam. If you find any irregularities, you need to level this surface. Secondly, in my case, the part is made of stainless steel, but there is rust on the key and on the shaft. It is necessary to remove it. This can be done with a file or other tool. Then the part will be easier to remove. I will do it, but I will not show it. I'm just telling you about it. So, I installed a puller. And before I start remove the part, I need to moisten the butt end. I do it with a solvent. If you don't have a solvent, water or another liquid will do. This liquid will allow the part to slide over the shaft. And in my case, it will also soften the rust. After that, we take a wrench and try to tighten it. If it is twisted tight, you do not need to tear the thread. Especially if the part is soft or fragile. You can break it or bend it. To prevent this from happening, simultaneously with the load, you need to tap on the shaft or on the detail. Of course, if it is made of solid material. Vibrations from the hammer hits will allow the detail to jump off the shaft more easily. I give the load and tap at the same time. Tapping and wetting. These two features of using a puller make it easier to remove the detail. So, I removed this detail, called the heel. This is what the key and shaft end look like. I had to change the claw attachment of the puller for better contact. The heel jumped off from its place under the load and then remove it easily. Let's repeat 3 key points in working with the puller. The first is the preparation of the surface in the shaft. The second is wetting the shaft. And the third is tapping. These key points will help you use the puller more easily.